I want to ask you one last question before, although I'm loving this conversation, I don't know why I want to end it, but वक्त भी हमारे पास कम है. मुझे ये बताएं कि you spoke about serial cheating. उसमें तो तुमने कहा कि भाई कोई लीवे देने की ज़रूरत नहीं. If it has happened twice, it's a pattern. And yet you also mentioned people who were marrying repeatedly. Is that a pattern as well? अगर किसी की दूसरी या तीसरी शादी हो, यानी things can go wrong in any situation, but is that a pattern? Is that a red flag?
Listen, the truth is a lot of times people also get judged for it कि इसकी 2 शादियां थी, and then I know people जिनकी 2 थी और फिर तीसरी बहुत सही, बहुत अच्छी और बहुत लंबी अच्छी शादी उन्होंने गुजारी. तो I feel like देखें ज़िंदगी लंबी है और क्यों ना करे फिर से कोई शादी. So I feel like जब एक दफ़ा टूट गई है तो I always wish for everybody who gets divorced that they find a partner again. It's the most worst thing to say कि नहीं अब तो शादी जैसे एक कोटा था और फिल हो गया, अब इसके बाद तो अकेले ही रहने
Done and dusted.
So I feel like no, absolutely. I feel like कि again motivations differ. Some people are maybe that difficult कि नहीं चलती, वो खुद भी अपने आप से बेजार होंगे. आप क्या उनको बेजार करेंगे? जो दूसरा बंदा जिसकी नहीं चल रही उससे पूछे ना कि nobody wants to, you know, when people say कि डिवोर्स कर ली, उसने डिवोर्स कर ली, घर को किसी को छोड़ना और घर को तोड़ना is maybe one of the most sad awful things to happen to human
अच्छा, और जितनी भी बुरी शादी हो, nobody intends to, nobody gets married with the intention of ever getting divorced. कोई नहीं कहता कि चलिए try करके देखते हैं, चली तो चली. And people have that.
And I truly believe if you are not happy, two people cannot be happy. It is a joyful thing to leave each other with good intention and wishes and be like अल्लाह करे तुम्हें भी कोई अच्छा मिल जाए और मुझे भी कोई अच्छा मिल जाए और ये ख़त्म कर लें हम.
But please don't throw a public divorce party because then you'll get trolled. जिसमें बहुत सारे लोग करते हैं divorce party दे रहे हैं अब हम.
Divorce party is stretching it a little bit, but of course I feel like life is long. One can keep growing, evolving, find a partner, find love. Life is long also and life is short also, so you shouldn't be living it alone. And family and companionship is lovely.
So I think that's beautiful. I have a friend who's of Greek origin and she lives in London. Her first marriage didn't work and mashallah she's happily married again. तो हमेशा जब बात करती थी कहती है अपने पहले हस्बैंड को वो मेरा बीटा हस्बैंड था. तो I think you can have a beta husband and then you can be lucky after that.
And we laugh because a lot of people, in our family a lot of people have divorced and remarried. और हम तो अपने अगर आप कभी हमारी शादियों पे आएँ तो the ex-husbands are there, everybody gets along with everybody, we all love each other because I feel everybody made the right decisions and left each other with respect and said, let's not do this to each other. It's when you live together, the amount of people I know who live together are beyond bitter and horrible to each other. I would never want that.
And I think you can be cordial and you should remember कि शादी खत्म हो रही है but you still have a bond with co-parenting. If you have kids then you still have to come together and be civil.
Co-parenting के भी अलावा I always say जिसके साथ एक relationship गुजारी है उसके बारे में आप कैसे बुरा कह सकते हैं? I feel like wrap it up. It should be the end. The relationship has ended. You must respect. I don't respect people who sit there and say horrible things about their past exes or whatever. Because I'm like, I don't respect you because you are not respecting someone that you once were with.
I would show a little bit of compassion. मुझे लगता है कि they are looking in some way or the other for closure. कुछ वैलिडेशन चाहिए. वही जो हम पहले बात कर रहे थे कि अगले को ब्लेम करेंगे तो अपने आप को सही साबित कर सकेंगे. हम अक्सर दूसरे को गलत साबित इसलिए करना चाहते हैं क्योंकि हमें लगता है हमने जो किया वो जस्टिफाई करना ज़रूरी है. बट नोबडी इज़ आस्किंग यू दैट. जैसे इन्होंने पहले कहा कि कोई उसका मेडल नहीं दे रहा, अगर मिले तो प्लीज़ हमें भी दिखा दे.
कोई किसी भी चीज़ का मेडल नहीं दे रहा होता. हम लोग बेचारे सभी लगे होते जो लगे हुए होते. Even your partner or your children will not come up till you go away from planet Earth. They'll be complaining about something and saying कि कुछ कर दें हमारे लिए. Because nobody is actually coming in.
I think that's part and parcel of being a parent.